Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have for you the Google Pixel 9 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Opposite sides of the spectrum, one for my son, one for myself. Now, y'all know I was a member of Team Pixel. They've seemed to go in another direction, but I'm still buying Pixels. But today I'm just going to do an unboxing, compare these two devices. I'll follow up with you on my phone. My son's phone I will give to him, but we'll do some comparisons while I have both of these in my possession. So, let's go! First, I'm going to unbox the 9. Regular 9, not the Pro, which it is the same size as the Pro. Whatever this does. Okay. That goes to show you how many unboxings I've watched. 0. So this is wintergreen. It's a little lighter than the box. My son is a huge Green Bay fan, so he likes all the green and yellow phones. And of course the pink is a little lighter than the box as well. Get that booted up as well. So side by side, you can see these are, it's slightly taller. The Google Pixel 9 is the same size as the Google Pixel 9 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the XL is just slightly bigger. There's a matte back finish on this one, whereas this one is glossy. The shiny polished edges, which I will treat with my hack that I put on my previous video for the Xiaomi Mix Flip. If you need that hack, I'll plug that video here. How to keep your phones, in a better place with fingerprints. There's the non-shiny sides on the regular 9 model. As you can see, the cameras are very different on both models. You'll get 2 cameras over there. You'll get 3 over here. Of course, I went with the big boy with the big screen. And that's how you know you've made it. You feel those haptics when you first turn the phone on. Slightly lighter over here on the 9, but you can feel it on both phones. So let's get some protection on these devices. I can tell you that right now, I don't have a matte screen protector, so I will be treating this screen protector with my concoction that keeps the fingerprints down. I do have a few cases. I'm trying to decide, maybe y'all can help me decide, because I bought 2 very similar cases for my phone, and I don't want to keep them both. So let's put them on and y'all help me out. So for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, this is how my box arrived from Amazon. Correct, but screen protectors were still intact. They give us a 3 installation kit with Supershieldz. Yay. And we get 3 screen protectors. So again, like I said, when I got them, I pulled them out, make sure they were intact. They are. Installation kit is ×3, so we have enough for all 3 of our screen protectors. What comes in this pack? We get alcohol wipe. We get 3 microfiber cleaning cloths. Tiny ones, but they're still there. 3 sets of dust removers and guides. And that is it. There is also a QR code if you need assistance. So first we wipe down. Clean this bad boy out. I can smell the alcohol on this. That's ridiculous to me. Hey, we know it's nice and clean, don't we? We're gonna wipe it down. We're gonna remove the dust. And then we're gonna install our screen protector. Again, we have a hole for our camera. Wait, I see some dust. I see some dust. Can't go in with the dust. Yeah, if you see the dust before you're about to lay it down, make sure you come back and get the dust. Because if you don't, you will have dust under your screen protector. All right. I'm gonna set this on top of my wipe, y'all, so it might look like it's got stuff on it. But when I saw that dust, I was like, no! I think a pretty decent installation from behind the camera. We shall see. Alright. Nice little wipe down on top of this because, like I said, I laid it on top of the wipe, so it was a little moist on the corner. So the next thing I want y'all to do is help me out with my case here. Okay? I bought 2 cases, and they are pretty similar in my opinion. But I couldn't decide which one I liked better. First up, I have the Casemate Twinkle, I think this is called. Yeah, they're girly cases, sorry. I am very much a woman. And this one favors the Hollyhock case that usually comes from Kate Spade. I like them both, and I knew I was getting a pink phone, but I didn't know which one would look better on the phone. So let's try them both on and see which one we want to stay with. I need y'all to drop down in the comments and tell me which one looks better on my Pixel. Okay? Thanks for your help. So I'm installing the Twinkle first. Very twinkly. Nothing's raised here. Everything's flat. So you can see my screen protector is still there. It's safe with cases. So that's me flipping it over and showing you, hey, twinkly, twinkly, twinkly. Sorry, my light is reflecting right into the case, but they gave you gold accents on the buttons. These are going to be identical. A hole in the top, hole in the bottom. So those are for your mics. You got a hole for your speaker, and you got a hole for your charging port. So that is the Twinkle. Vote 1 for Twinkle, okay? 1 for Twinkle. Next up, we have this flowery case. Let me just call it a flower case, right? So this is kind of tough, y'all. I like them both for their own reasons. What y'all think? Still with the gold accents. I wear a lot of gold, so this is gonna work. I will say the little beads have some texture to them. There's no texture on the other case. Both feel good at the hand. This does feel like it's a little thinner. And yeah, we're going to wipe our cone down real good because the rails are going to show great in this case. Of course, it's going to have the same cutouts as the Twinkle case did. Same protection around the camera. If you like the flower case, drop a 2 in the description. 2 for the flower case. I'm only keeping one of these. I got some other cases coming. Don't want to have 2 of these clear designer cases. And I'm about to wrap this up, y'all. This has been my unboxing and screen protector installation on the Google Pixel 9 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you have any questions, want follow-up, leave it down below. I know I'm the import queen, but I come back domestic every now and again. Also, I got this because I got one heck of a trade-in deal from Best Buy on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I will drop the receipt here, and I will drop the instant refund they gave me once I brought it in store. I also caught the 45-watt charger on the Best Buy website when I did a pre-order. When I did pre-orders, they were $19.99. They're $29.99 everywhere right now. So we're going to run this, see how well it charges. You know, when a company puts out a charger for its own phone, it usually works better than if you use a third party or a charger that was meant for another phone. I don't have a watt tester, so I can't tell you whether it's going to be a true 45 watts, but I'm sure it'll be all over YouTube if it's not. I'd like to thank you for coming by and checking out my video on the channel, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you genuinely enjoy videos over here on my channel, you should consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those privileges are, click on the join button and see what those memberships might have to offer you. I'd like to thank you for your time because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video on this channel. Holla!